Carbon Gold Biochar Soil Improver makes a permanent and physical improvement to your soil. You only need to add it once. It's easy to use, and you can add it to compost as well as using it to improve your soil. It's good for all sorts of plants, from roses to shrubs to vegetables and trees, and it's soil association approved for organic gardening. It's really versatile. You can sprinkle it into seed drills when sowing seed. You can put it in the planting hole when planting out. And when you're planting vegetable plugs, you can just dust the base with a little bit, and that's enough to get your plants off to a flying start. For propagating and potting on, add 10% to your compost, or if you're planting out, just sprinkle some into your planting hole. You can also sprinkle it around the base of established plants, and it will find its way down into the soil. Once you've got biochar in your soil, take care not to overwater. Biochar's porous nature is like a honeycomb of tiny reservoirs that keep water in the soil even when the surrounding soil is drying out. Carbon Gold Biochar Soil Improver comes in a 1-liter tub and a 4-liter carton. Carbon Gold, saving the planet, one garden at a time.